been going a little fabric crazy over here at Greyscalegorilla. How do we pick out of all the fabrics that we could the ones that are going to be the most useful, the most interesting for you? Well, it starts with our in-house art director, Logan. She has a background in interior design, and she helps curate all of these amazing fabrics.
These three are staples. I mean, they are the fundamentals of a lot of home decor items, staples in fashion. So it just felt really important to give our customers this variety of fabrics. Personally, they're very well-rounded, I think, and covers a lot of bases.
Each thing that we create is a little bit different and has different challenges. So to talk about that, I think we got to bring Jake out.
With the scanning process, we capture a high quality base color, roughness, and height map for all the materials we make. But specifically for fabric, we throw it on this light table to get a physically accurate subsurface weight map.
But his magic isn't finished yet. He's got to now process these scans into something that is an awesome material.
So we've been working really hard on a whole bunch of new ArcViz products. And in order to do that, the team had to start studying some living rooms, real ones.
Hey, Nick here. I helped create these awesome furniture assets. We've got 42 new living room models for your ArcViz work, including sofas, coffee tables, and lamps. Sometimes it can be challenging to design a cohesive living space, which is why we also include 4 curated living room sets. Together with our vast library of materials, you can craft a photorealistic interior in a matter of minutes.
This is white terracotta, and white terracotta is found all over the place.
In architectural visualization and motion design. So we've been studying terracotta, coming up with the best methods for effectively rendering it, and have now added some new materials to give your rooms that clean, sophisticated look.
This just represents a small amount of what we have planned for ArcViz artists. A gripe that I've always had about surface imperfections is a lot of times they're way too strong, and not everything needs to look like it was part of some dystopian future. It's important to capture something a little bit more on the subtle side if you want it to look realistic. So that's why we've been making this entire collection of surface imperfections with a bit more of a subtle and realistic approach. And to create these, we needed a little bit of help.